Removing rear bump stops. 95 ZJ. Ain't terrible. I've seen worse. Tools for the job. Some lubricant. 2 small flatheads. And the hammer. 1 blast. Alright, let's get this one started. It's already crumbling. Look at that. Oh my god. But you gotta get this guy up there. Alright, so we get him up there. Get my next one even deeper. Bail on the first one. And hammer this one in. Okay, that one felt pretty deep. Oh, there we go. Boom. Pop to that. Sacrifice this one. I just hammered it in a bit more. Fucking pried it off. Boom. So that's on your 95 ZJ. It's the press-in kind. Bracket stays. Boom. Alright, this is the new one. There's no part number on it. New one, lubricant, small presser jig, and I got a small bottle jack. Okay. So we got the jig on the cup. So this camera's actually pissing me the fuck off. Right. Get that all mostly centered up. Watch out for the finger. Boom. Okay, boom. There you go, and it popped in. Nice and tight. Just got a bottle jack, shitty jig. Press it up there nice and tight. Gotta get release all this. Boom. Super nice, new, tight bump stop. A 2x2, or 1.5 by 1.5. This is about a foot. These 2 pieces, and these are about 6 inches. Especially if you got that adjustable bottle jack like that. Pretty fucking set.